Akams, you're welcome. Akams, the first time I saw you as a duo, as in getting somebody in the content, IGBO CNN, and then I'm known Naba. Then I never kept because I know it together, and then since then we've not heard the part of your own story. IGBO CNN Naba there. Who is the brand? Is it a person or is it partnership? Just
well, the truth is that most of our fans have been asking me this question till date. Upon Akams separated, but I can assume IGBO CNN. That concept was something we started early, as in late 2019, maybe December period. You know what? So before then, I have been a comedian, but I type in on Facebook, I type jokes on Facebook. The Facebook fans someone wow of man, any trending stuff in the make a caricature. I type on Facebook. You know what? So the guy, my dear Mbaha, so he saw it, he saw those things. Then one of them he's a photographer. He has the gadgets, he has the camera, the mic, and all that. Mbia, assume no way brain up with that. Ocho kaime. See okay, or watch all the thing because right from time I'm somebody that this skeptic about I'm select. So the thing we knew we bonye merija before. It is original, it is fresh. You see okay kaime. Another day after you discuss only one na war bread mara ha ga abaya. Mara ko yesi we dey. Nah, war brain because of how I was taught by my then director Melody Obialo. God bless you, my boss. Unless a brand, something like an email branding or something like that. Potassium work Uruchia boy IGBO CNN. I brought the name and all that. So we started doing this thing. We started doing this thing as collabo. Regardless that he has the camera, I have the brand. But the brand but in IGBO, most of the news I don't need them because I almost put on Igbo and then Igbo A1 so I can write it very, very well. The caricature news to another all those things I know. On this was when we a pen. I didn't in a funny way. So we started doing it. The first video I made, the first ever video I made, with more than 1K shares. The first video of that stuff. The first one I can say, Emmanuel, back with the fans. From there, because of how unique it was and everything, we started doing it. I was an admin in the page. We both were an admin in the page. And then at the point, and I was very, I'm saying people now saying, where the ego, I know no bimba. Makwana use moto. People na like here, can maybe go in here. Ego was not in my mindset. So they're doing it. You know, the fact from my boy was not best dick. I was consistent. I been move for Araha, a banade. None of them move for them dink money. I was a Mary Hazal, a shoot. People now like our videos naga. I send them bank when again. I come to school, but you want not I am where she went. So, but I was very happy that I was fulfilling my talent now. So at a point, something happened to my account. I'm not here, no. I don't want to talk much. Account to more. I hack your account to more. Then he had to also go open the admin that thing. Go happy my fat the page. Open maybe account also. Okay, but add this year back as the admin. It will become a problem. Name. Even before then, say, one funny news. I'm not gonna remember Sambia. I won't know also. I cast the rose for him and I'm here chemistry. He cast you on yours. And see again, I still got try Yonya. I did not say much, I kept quiet. Or met a phone on your yacht. Who come without that, did not say anything. I shoot to Canada. Museum admin or problem, he couldn't oppose him admin. Kumoku. I shoot to go naga. People though. During this course, I'm not people that are close to me because he was more established than me then, or he was okay with that. The way him with him, a na-asị m nke ị ga-anapụta na mụ ha ese mgbe ahụ monetization adịbeghị yes ọ dịbeghị ya people ama maka ya na-aghọta so onwe dịka monetization ihe anyị ji erite mgbe ahụ shout out the birthday mgbe ahụ eme shout out onye tụ m my own jidekwe nke ya mgbe ụfọdụ onye jide nke a so onye nwe gadget and onye na-eme editing so ihe ọ bụla onye ma didn't complain ihe ahụ my problem I was just happy that our videos are okay, so he couldn't make me the admin again megide mgbe ahụ instead sounding na-eme something dị funny page a mgbe e create anọ m n'ihu m na e create ya mee m admin na aghọta so o nwere ihe a gosi my resources my talent my brain my initiative my time was even the name was me that brought the IGBO CNN na aghọta so all these things is my ihe mention kata gosigo na enwe a part in this thing na what the only thing we can work o nwere nwes go say maybe percentage of support I'm a part of this thing.
You're a stakeholder.
Yes, I'm a part of this thing. So he couldn't make me there. So I'm asking my name at the page. At the point, where the page name is some his own personal something. Different sign, but name is personal. And then you go. I did not bother until I was in Boru. I put for content at the page. I was not. I'm the content is there. I'm just shoot to post to. And that's a game is here. What happened? I said, not just I did not say anything. And I hear because I almost somebody here is straight me to who I am today. I cannot see something now like it. I'm a John. You're born and I will open up and say it. So, but then I was not like that. So this thing was it kept going on. One day, some not going Lagos. Now God was in Aba. That was the most heartbreaking period of my time. You know, something you have. I know, almost close to 50K followers in Bar. I know. Most of the people that turn market happen.
Yes, I agree.
So we trended so much, man. Lagos, fans, man, outside the country, and people like it so much because of that stuff. It was unique and was very, very funny. You know what I go? So only you were in Subumba, the other guy na black. Oh, like you chop out our name, when I pursue. I person and send the guy a couple now because me, I was not. This thing was not my thing. My joy was kaya naga. So I'm not know that guy when I made that thing. So yeah, me. But what does not take Lagos? Because before I even said that thing, he already showing the signs of you want to go? What the style na actually Europe. Because the fame was there, even we are turning down some of collabos. And then like I said, potential I don't know the kind with an engine free. Asemba. You want to go? I'm going to so near the Naka. See, I also not check Lagos now. I just get places in Lagos. See, I really yes. I'm going to buy a come with my own. I come video me. Come acom. Be a corner shoot. Muga. Hey, na. Do you look in now? What am I? But some of our gaba. Come hey, Baba atama rumba. Hey, atama rumba. Unwe hey. Square one. Kind of work here. Square one. I was down. I was emotionally down. I was traumatized and I was depressed. But nobody knew. I had to pick up myself and say, okay, no problem. Laptop because na kaya oji laptop na medicine so like I'm not laptop so laptop. I actually told him before he said kuzi editing. It was hard for him to teach me. He did not teach me. You know what? Laptop. I got the software. I started learning for myself. I called one of my guy. Crackwise, but he came. Just one time I was in the thing because someone had the smart. I brought on a dream easy. I started editing. I bought phone, iPhone XR. So when you name also all my travel, but that's not all my travel, but I got to shoot we are not consistent anymore. That was when the students started coming in. Make them. Lagos guy. He's still in Abana till date. So all those things were just to. So I started shooting. I started doing my thing. At the page. Even the crowd was not shooting. We can share my videos to the page. At the point, it became a problem too. At least, I'm with followers like him. At the point, it became a problem too. He did not do it. Now, I started from one follower again. And people say my that page. You go get the page. I was like, the page. You go. I want to make 1 million and camera. You want to go. You got to go. You make and flow. You get take time.
Yes.
I started again. grinding again. I started trying different. That was why when you me my own personal, maybe this agadi work stuff, my DBA, my Tamimo. I started took aka. I went viral. One video over here to you. Oh, wow, I'm shoot video down. But video got very viral. So wow, he was doing his own thing. All those. So I did not say anything because I wanted time to tell. People when in Korea and I want them to be close to me. I could not open mouth and tell anybody anything. Because move for them Korea. On a mission can tell you back when I want to be working name because I believe in myself so much. Most of you na all my initiative all hinder.
Yes.
So which means if I can do it, I can still do it. So far I can do see I can do me 2 million times. You want to go? So I started doing things. I started going shoot away. People were there. I started again. People were going to shoot different way. Go man tami mo shoot ja. Oga achamanya. But I thank God for today. The truth is that IGBO CNN, the concept you guys love so much, cannot come back again. Yotago. Ogago. I have made it my past. Yotago. And okuziri me so much. You know, abu no nyemu na emekori nye nwere the same obi nwere. By now. Baba by now. Hey. What am I getting by now? By now we would have been because we have make it there because of the knowledge I have now about acting. You switch I make something because pay the but currently now that glory I'm with at desire. People are only remember the glory because I'm still in the game, you know, and because of this concept that and I thank God I am very, very, very okay with your name. People love what I do with my pair. Upon if you go my pair, bad. You know what? So all the thing, I suffered very, very much when that stuff when it happened. But as I'm doing name mamu, unu follow my own page kita. I change. Yeah, me kanko. You talk here me kanko no akwa. You telling them support unu, just follow me, share my videos and all that. We only get better. Look at that one. You got that.
So you know na bam. Ever now that the name IGBO CNN was your brainchild.
Yeah, it's no, he has taken the name, but it's my brain. Oh, the name IGBO CNN. Take me anywhere, I'll tell you. Oh well, I don't know. Could be some names in Simba. IGBO CNN, you know, the name Godi, it looks branded. CNN news. And I will say, okay, IGBO CNN, Mayor. So yeah.
Okay, I will talk to you like another brother. What I go? Because sometimes if some doors doesn't close, others will not open. From your story, you were not even into content creating. You were typing on Facebook.
Yeah.
And God used him.
Yeah.
Sometimes God used people without them even knowing. What I go? Isinia, where pota. So whether he like it or not, God has used him.
For free.
For free. So just whoop that this person brought you into something you've not been doing before. It may not have occurred to you, all the possible according to you, but he has called you, and then he enabled that talent in you. If only where they have. Why can't I do my own?
Yeah.
If only in a day so Ibutuo.
But the thing is that
you are doing very well.
It actually took me a couple of time to forget, you know.
Yes.
Because only to go near Sajunta.
I understand.
Now, yeah, we may
enwe ihe dị na mmadụ na-abụ imekọ ihe ọ na-adị very very hard.
Okay.
Two strangers coming together, even brothers, ọ na-adị very very hard. Do anything as na man now, but it just you can imagine so many groups.
Do you know my problem? Okay. I already told that money wasn't my problem.
Yes.
Because I'm with him so but if we about inclusion, if he treated me the way I am treating my people now,
Yes.
about no get issue. You know, because of that thing, I'm very, very careful with my pen because I don't want them to feel the way I felt at that time. No, I don't want them to feel that way.
Yeah.
I'll make you I'm not about inclusion, make it inclusive. Man, yes. But you cannot this one here. Mbogina fiti here, you mere ho, emene here maka ine mere onwe gi. Ana ma me ba ine mere onwe gi. If I'm doing something, na me one. When I can like ki me two. What the na brain na times two. Okay, me the energy. At this strong, man, if you happy you maybe you feel long time. Okay, me see akwa no mgbe ga-eru okpochie. That was how I mere iji we that thing we kwụ n'ọkụ since. When we see akpochie mu e were pen dewe.
Yes.
Mu a engine room na gịnị mgbe obodo don sig na onye ọbụla relax ara tete bidodewe ihe. A ga-esu to do something. So ọkwa no nwete gị onye nọ na this thing, ọwụ na nwete gị partner ahụ dị otu ahụ. Inwetekwa ihe ọzọ, inwete ihe na once ọ na-ara ahụ.
Yes.
Ọ na-ara ahụ. Ana nwete bịa ruo taa, na nwa eziokwu. I nwere ike na-emiss ya, nwere ike na-emiss but I don't miss ya, I don't miss ya guy. I'm actually in a better place now. Actually. For
the fact no say no get Lagos and then till now.
That's in Lagos. It's na mix barrier.
So all the char up here, but there is no problem. Call lady ka ya be eba.
Somebody na go be.